welcome back to my channel. My name is BrittanyBearMakeup. If you guys are new, then welcome to today's video. So today I am going to show you guys how I catfish the internet for making them think that I always look on point. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. But before we do, go ahead and click this giant red subscribe button right here and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you guys are notified every time I post. Let's go ahead, guys, and dive into today's video.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
All right, guys, so as you can see, your girl has some breakouts. She has a lot going on her face today. I don't know what happened. I think it was the sunblock I put, but basically, I need help. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready and make myself look like a different person, basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a primer. This is my SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer. It's a green primer, so it cancels out any redness that I have in my face. It's definitely gonna help my face out a lot. I have a lot of discoloration going on right now, so I'm gonna apply this as the first thing to making myself look flat. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct my face. I like a very orangey type of concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Concealer. This one right here is amazing to make myself look so much better. I have really dark circles under my eyes, so this is gonna help just cancel out any darkness and make me look more alive and awake. So I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. I have this like massive crater. I cannot help but pick my face. Like when I have a zit, people always tell you don't touch your face, but I don't know what it is, guys. I'd rather pop it, make it look 10 times worse than to see it and feel it on my skin. It just makes me feel so uncomfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out. I know you guys are thinking like, what are you doing? You look crazy right now, but trust me, guys, have some faith. Am I cute already, guys? This is cute. Should I walk outside like this? Look like I got a nice little tan. How you doing? All right, guys, so next up is going to be my foundation. And today I'm gonna be using my NARS foundation because it's pretty much the darkest foundation I have. And right now I'm pretty tan. And I'm gonna be applying this onto my hand and then applying this on my face. I'm just tapping the product in. You guys, like the #1 comment I always get when other like big makeup brands post me is people always go in on me and they always say, I bet you $1,000 she does not look like that in person. And you guys, you are so right. You saw how I started off. I do not look like that without makeup, but I am a magician with makeup. Let me tell you guys, I make my nose look so freaking small, so snatched. Like I do some pretty crazy things with makeup. So today I'm just gonna share with you guys how it's done, how I transform myself and make myself look like my Instagram photos. Ozzy is gonna love editing this video because he thinks I'm too tan right now. He's so mad at me that I'm tan right now. He keeps calling me an Oompa Loompa. But it's okay, Ozzy, just wait till my makeup's done and we'll see who wants a kiss from Baby B over here. All right, guys, so now that I've gone ahead and I've applied that foundation and I'm looking orange, and I know Ozzy just loves staring at this image right now, it is time for me to conceal. I'm gonna brighten up my face, I'm gonna add color, I'm gonna bring life back into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my HUDA Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade Sugar Biscuit, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and like the lower part of my forehead as well, and the sides of my nose, on my chin, and like the corners, on all the areas basically where there's like a lot of shadows. So the mustache and all those areas that get a little darker. So now I'm gonna be taking that beauty blender and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend, guys. This is where the magic happens. This is where the three-dimensional Brittany comes out. You're gonna start seeing the slay. The slay is about to occur. So I'm just pressing the product in. Like already, who is she? Who is she? She already looks that much better. You guys, honestly, makeup is scary. It's one of those things that you gotta trust the process, and if you don't trust it, you're gonna freak yourself out, or if you're doing a client, you're gonna freak them out. I have a rule when I did clients, like they were not allowed to look in the mirror until like the end, because it's scary. You go through so many different little like steps and phases where honestly, you even question your own work. Like right now, I'm kind of questioning what the hell I'm trying to teach you guys, but I am telling you, I know myself, I'm gonna pull through, and this is gonna look so good in the end. So today I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty setting powder. This is banana bread, and it has like a slight yellow tint to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this on my sponge, and I'm gonna be applying this to all those highlighted areas. So definitely underneath my eyes. You want it to absorb that like really wet, damp face you got going on. And on the other side as well. Underneath the contour, just like that. And then this shiny action we have going on up here. I'm gonna pack a little bit on the bridge of my nose just to kind of give me that definition. It's like preparing it for the snatch that's about to happen. I'm gonna let it sit on my face for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and start bronzing myself back up. With all the products I have going on, I'm losing the tan, and your girl likes being tan. So I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty palette. This is the Cheekleaders. I'm gonna mix Hula and Hula Caramel. And this is a Morphe M104 brush. And then ever so slightly, I'm gonna begin the contour. This is where those Maleficent cheekbones everyone be hating on. This is when that action comes out. I just really go in on the cheekbone and make sure that it looks very three-dimensional and that it scares a lot of people because we love a good, big, fluffy cheekbone. So I'm gonna spend a couple minutes just like really bronzing the face. The next thing that I do to really catfish my followers, to making them think that I'm just flawless all the time and that I wake up looking so snatched, is I obviously contour my nose. And for my contouring, I use my collaboration with Morphe, my 360 nose contouring brush set. And I take my 6 brush right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Hula bronzer, and I'm gonna begin by snatching out that nose. The little tip, and then the other side, just connecting them. I'm redefining that nose bone structure that I don't have much going on, and I'm really going to town. So I definitely go like a little bit crazy with the amount of product that I apply, but that is because I blend it all out in the end and it always comes together. This is a MAC Studio Fix powder. It is NC20. I grab that same brush and then I go ahead on the bridge and I contour it. She can't breathe. She can't breathe, guys. She's so snatched, she cannot breathe. And that is when I use that excess translucent powder and I pat it in, I blend it, I make the nose look presentable and snatched at the same time. So after I've taken a minute to really like contour the nose, I then go in with a highlighter from the same palette, and that is when I apply it to the tip to cause more drama, more pizzazz to the nose, and then I go ahead and just, you know, snatch the center. Alright guys, so the next thing that I typically do for my makeup is eyeshadow. So today I'm going to be taking my Tarte lip powder, which I reach for a lot when I do my makeup. I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called Smarty Pants. And I'm just going to work that into the crease. It's like a very soft neutral brown shade. On to the next side. So it's so funny, but my go-to eyeshadow look is very, very simple. Like I keep it probably so simple, you guys are gonna be shocked. What I typically do is I put that like bronzy color in my eye, and then I go in with like a really rich chocolatey color, and I apply it like eyeliner to my lash line, and I kind of just use my finger and smoke it out. So this is basically the eyeshadow look that I go for. It's very simple, and honestly, I feel like it's probably one of my favorite looks that I do. So once I go ahead and I apply this, I go into my mascara. Obviously, help a sister out by applying some lash mascara before we apply the false lashes. So after I went ahead and applied my mascara, I let it dry, and then I go off and do my eyebrows. I don't want to bore you guys because my eyebrows are not that exciting. I literally just use eyeshadow and fill in my natural hairs. So I'll be back in a second, and then we're going to continue catfishing the internet and making them think that we wake up flawless. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, you guys are probably so impressed by now because I am looking like a completely different person. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be applying some lashes onto this look. This is definitely going to enhance my eye makeup and make it look a lot more dramatic than it actually is. You guys saw how freaking easy it was for me to do this eyeshadow. So grabbing some really pretty wispy lashes, I'm gonna be applying these onto the eyes. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be blush. So this is an Anastasia blush palette. It is called Pool Party. And I'm going to mix these two shades right here onto my brush and just kind of apply this to all the areas of my face just to brighten it all up. Now it's time for me to set my face. This is when my makeup like literally melts into my face and gives me a very airbrush flawless look. This is my Morphe setting spray. You guys probably see me use this very often because it's my favorite setting spray. I go in with the setting spray, mind you. I love how it feels, how it smells, how it looks. Like, it is game-changing, guys. All right, guys, so I have to finish off this look, and in order for me to finish off my catfish, I have to make my lips look plumper, bigger, just more intense. So for today, I'm gonna be using a new lip liner. I think I've used this a while ago, but I'm bringing it back. This is my Shayla times ColourPop. It is a beautiful, rich brown shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. So to finish off the look, I'm gonna grab a Too Faced gloss, which is gonna make my lips look extra juicy and plump. And this one, just a little bit goes a long ways. Like, you don't wanna scare the world because you're already looking so fly that people are already hating on you. So you kinda have to like bring it in towards the end and humble your lips just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out. Alright, Bear fam, so here is the final look. This is how I catfished the internet with makeup. You guys know I did not start off looking this cute. I had a giant crater on my face, and I actually still have it, but a little more disguised. I honestly, this is my go-to look, guys. So when you're out there writing comments saying, I bet she doesn't look like that when she wakes up. Yeah, you're right. I do not look like this when I wake up. And God, I wish I did, but guess what? It takes a lot of makeup, a lot of layers, a lot of caking, and here is the final product, and I'm very proud of myself. I have to say, I do clean up pretty well. So here you guys have it. With that being said, guys, I do want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, Emily Herrera. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on and being a part of my Bear family. I love you so freaking much. You guys want a shout out, all you guys have to do is turn on your post notifications and then comment when done. Thank you guys for watching me transform into a butterfly, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.